Hello guys, welcome to Cypher Finance, and today I'm going to show you how to make 25 or $50 every 4 days using the ENURI platform. If you're new to Cypher Finance, we talk about crypto, we talk about online making money online. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out a video. Now today we are going to be talking about the ENURI.com or the ENURI99.com platform, and that platform, sorry guys, and in this platform I make $50 every 4 days, and I'm going to show you how. So first of all, we need to know what the ENURI platform is all about, and it's a USDT earning platform where you earn crypto, and also an advertising platform also, because it helps in advertising goods in the eBay, the Walmart, in the Amazon. So how it works is in the Grab, when you buy it through the iCloud processing, and if you buy it through your iCloud, so a commission will be added to the goods for a referral commission, or a commission will be added to the goods, and then the commission will be added to your main balance, which causes an increase in your amount. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn $50 daily. So as you can see, I have a team. I'm going to show you how that referral helps. I have a team, and my team every day sometimes make a total commission of about $50, and when they make a total of $50 or $60, I get 16% of their commission, and I also have about 200 USDT in the platform. So each day I get a commission. I get about 9.26 or 9.46 USDT per day, added with the yesterday team's commission, so that is about 14 to 15 USDT. So in every 4 days after making it, I make my withdrawal, and I'm going to show you my withdrawal made in this video. So if when you're done grabbing, for those that are already using the ENURI, if you haven't, I post a link down below where you can watch the full video. So when you're done grabbing and you want to withdraw, you come here for withdrawal. Please do not use this for arbitrage. It will be known, and also do not open more than one USDT or more than one ENURI in your phone, or you'll be giving them the right to do anything to your account. So the amount of withdrawal, the minimum is the 20 USDT to a million USDT. The payment is within 72 hours after the withdrawal application is approved. Okay, so every account must complete the 50 grab. If you don't know what the grab is, again, the link is down below. Just make sure you click it, and you learn everything about the ENURI website. So if you want to withdraw after you've done it, so I told you a day I earn about $15. So after 4 days and I want to withdraw, I just put in the amount I wish to withdraw, which is the 55 USDT, and I put in my withdrawal method. Please use only the TRC or the ERC20. Do not put the BEP20. So I put in the TRC20 method, and then I put in my transaction password. So I have made my application of 55 USDT, and as you can see, it hasn't been confirmed yet. They said we should wait to 72 hours, but I estimate it about 36 hours. So we are going to just fast forward to that moment, and I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof. This website really helps. And imagine if you're gaining $50 in your currency in every 4 days, you would be like a millionaire before the end of 3 months or so. So I waited till my withdrawal is complete. I won't lie, I waited a while. So I'm quickly going to show you the proof of the withdrawal and my wallet which I received it. So if we come to withdrawal record, let's check last 7 days, and as you can see, it has been confirmed for $55. But because of the charges of the states, I won't get that exact amount. What I got was 50.7 about 7 something USDT. I'm at my KuCoin wallet, and I'm going to check my notification. And if you check my notification, you're going to see the asset of 50.76 asset withdrawal, and you can see the last days I also withdraw 50.76. So this is how I make 25,000 every 4 days, and sometimes I would leave it to 2 days or 8 days. I'll be making 50,000. This is pure and legit. Make sure you click the sign up button, or you click the referral button down below in the description button, so you can start withdrawing. I told you I'm going to show you how to earn 25,000 every 4 days, and make sure you join the ENURI if you feel like you should start earning now. But investing it should be what you can afford to risk. So that'll be all for the ENURI platform. I'll be bringing to you more meme coin analysis and crypto insights soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope of many more gains to your wallet. But trust me, the ENURI platform is reliable, it's paying, I won't lie, and I'll keep on mining every single day and refer for my friends. Okay, that'll be all for the ENURI platform video. Okay guys, that will be all for the video. I told you, enuri99.com. Click my link down below and start earning now. I'm also going to post more crypto earning sites and more analysis on meme coins. I feel like I'm going to the moon. Please bear with me for the delay. Thanks for watching, and many more gains to your wallet.